How to delete Instagram search suggestions when typing. If this video help you, click that subscribe button and that bell icon on so you would stay updated in this channel. So let us go to our Instagram. Alright, so what you would do is go to your profile by clicking in the profile at the corner right, bottom right. What you would do next is click on that three lines above your profile so we can access the settings of the settings of your Instagram. Go to your activity. After that, just scroll down for a bit and go to recent searches. So I have here my recent searches, and if you have, just clear it or click on the clear all button. It will clear your recent searches, and also it will clear your suggestions for your searching when you are typing. Next is go to settings and privacy. So this is another way of clearing the suggestions, and scroll down and go to help. After that, go to report a problem and then click on report problem without shaking to continue. Okay, you can choose to include and not include it. So in here, just simply type your problem so you can message Instagram that you want to delete all your suggestions when you are typing. So that's it. I hope this helps, and thank you for watching.